Nadia Ababo, Nadia Nana Bishop of Akwasidae.
Abasanku bataya na bosifo we awobaye akobaye rade toche abayera etirim kwani fishia
Ono ma besim mahene ene kwache otufo no.
And he's buying the book at a cost of 20,000 Ghana cedis. 20,000 Ghana cedis. Now the special book that we are launching today, the National Chair of the NDC, the regional chair, the regional chair of the NDC, and the regional minister, they all have a very good prize for me this afternoon. Celebrating the reign, the impacts, and the enduring legacy of His Majesty Otufo the Sixth.
And afe Asante Mantemo and this Yabanyukuno job training Wamina Wanam Atoto and Maybe in Nipadua, your person one of the kind of
mine and I do so I'll catch you for no. And then I bring one man.
So now, Your Majesty, one of your illustrious son, the MP for Okankwe Central, who is always here to celebrate with us. And today, as you're marking the 27th anniversary of the Golden Stool,
Abusianti yato egomade de ade akire ye rawie ya sheda ayebi aguada kamo sronko kwan so e makomako edu kwa me edikan abobo wo se ye ba Asante Mantem soafo wo so parking kan pa and this ya bajokwe no job tena ni wo ba mo nyina wo so no so parking kan pa jese uhwe mu a wo no nyina parking kan ti enya kwakwa so wo no nyina bajijibie aha first time ne de kwa me to so.
Okay. Now the book, Otufo said to do the second, the making of Asante in the 21st century, 27 years of leadership.
Also, Ghanaian, Ronin Sapantu, and how do I say, and I open one account. But you're not as simple. What's your name? Otufo Adamasi.